Let's learn how you can create trend 2024 in 60 photos like this using only TikTok and CapCut applications. So first we will have to go and open our TikTok application. Now once you're here, go to search and just search 2024 in 60 photos. And then choose the video that has this trend template. For example, I will choose this one. When you're here, just click on CapCut, try this template. Now click on use template in CapCut red button, and it will open CapCut application. Just click on use template blue button. Then further it will open your gallery, where you will have to choose your photos that you want to appear in this video. I will choose some random just to show you the example of the video. When you're finished with adding, click on next. And as you can see here, this will be the preview. What you want to do here, as you can see, this is 2022. You want to click on text and click on 2022 and click on edit. And now just remove 2 and add number 4, and now it will be 2024, as you can see. So this is it. Now you can just add sound in TikTok. This will export your video and share it directly to TikTok, and you're finished. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.